Hey guys, Phantom Rider 698 here, and in front of me, Shadow the motorcycle. And today we're going to talk briefly about fuses and the fuses in your motorcycle. So here we have the fuse box to the motorcycle opened up, and in comparison to where this is located on your bike, here is the right side, the brake side for Shadow the motorcycle, and the fuses are located in this control box right here. Just take that side panel off, and there's a couple covers look like that. You just got to pop those off. You can pop them from the sides and they come right off. Not really that difficult to release them. And we talk about fuses right now because we tend to take a lot of trips. We go places, as you guys know. This summer we were planning on doing a really big trip over to Yellowstone and seeing a lot of the northwestern states here in the continental United States. And well, you're definitely going to want to make sure you pack some extra fuses just in case. Granted, you're not going to really have too many fuse issues with your motorcycle. If you do, then you may have to look into some wiring issues, or there could be a relay issue somewhere as well. But it's always a good idea to take some extra fuses with you just in case, a little fuse kit. That carries specifically number 10 fuses, number 20 fuses, and then we have a 15 fuse here and here. 10, 20, and then 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 10. So in total, there's 6 10s, 2 15s, and 2 20s. And you got this guy right here. I'm not really sure what that is. I'm not even going to... That could very well be a fuse as well. I'm not going to mess around with him. But it's always a good idea to pack yourself some extra fuses on your motorcycle trips too. And I carry a little tool kit in one of the 2 hard case saddlebags that I have installed onto Shadow as of last year. And in the hard case, I will carry some extra fuses just in case, just to get me by if something should happen and I blow a 10 or a 20. I blow a fuse that controls the headlights, that controls the starter, just something. It's always good to pack extra fuses. So in this case, I'm just going to use a pair of needle nose pliers just to kind of give you an illustration of what this looks like. Granted, there are special design little plastic clips that you can use to reach in and grab the fuses out, pull them out safely. If you don't have that, you can do it safely with a pair of needle nose pliers. It doesn't take much to take these things out, just a little wiggle, pull up, and there it is right there. So when you inspect your fuses, you want to inspect the metal strip that's in the colored section here. And as you guys can see, that's still a pretty good strip. What you're looking for is any kind of breaks in that metal that's in the blue plastic, or even in the yellow or the red plastic, just the plastic case that comes in these. You're looking for burnouts, you're looking for separated wires, and if you have that, then you've blown out your fuse. If you don't have that, then you're good to go, and your fuse is just fine. Always make sure you pop your fuse back in. Everything is tight and snug and in place. And that's it. So that's all you're doing, is just making sure your fuses are good, they're healthy, and you always want to check your fuses just in case before you go on long trips. The last thing you want to do is get hundreds of miles away from home and you have a blown fuse and you don't have any spares or anything to help repair, or in this case, replace your blown fuse. And that's really it, you guys. There's not really too much more to fuses than talking about that. The very first thing that you guys want to check, if you do have a headlight that's gone out, or turn signal issue, or a starter issue, anything electrical, the very first thing you want to check are the fuses, just to make sure you didn't blow something out. And it's always important to take some extra fuses with you before you go on a long road trip. So you heard it from me first. That's my advice when it comes to fuses. If you guys like the video, hit the like, comment, subscribe buttons. If you have suggestions on your own methods of fuses, feel free to leave comments in the comment section. Would love to hear other people's opinion about fuses. So that's all I got for this video, you guys, and take care, and we'll see you in the next one.